Have you ever wondered how wealthy individuals manage to maintain their fortunes? Many people think that being rich means you can spend money on whatever you want, but that's a common misconception. Despite having millions of dollars, all wealthy people share one common habit. They avoid unnecessary spending. Even with a substantial amount of money, you'll see rich people looking for better deals, living simpler lives, and spending their money wisely on what they need rather than on what they want. They understand the importance of financial prudence and long-term investment. In this video, we'll delve into 7 specific expenses that rich people typically avoid. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for more life-changing content. Let's get started. 1. Debt repayments. The first expense that wealthy individuals avoid is debt repayment, including any additional costs associated with owing money. This doesn't mean that debt is inherently bad. In fact, the wealthy often use debt as a strategic tool to accumulate more wealth. However, they handle it very differently compared to the average person. Rich people understand that borrowing money for investment purposes carries significant risk and can go wrong if not managed properly. They are meticulous about ensuring that any debt they take on will be offset by higher returns from their investments. Unlike others who may struggle with credit card debt, car loans, or high mortgage payments, the wealthy rarely use multiple credit cards or take out loans without a clear financial plan. They avoid debt that can drain their finances and obstruct their path to financial freedom. As Warren Buffett, a legendary investor, wisely said, "If you're smart, you can make a lot of money without borrowing." 2. Costly formal education. When examining the success stories of many wealthy individuals, you'll notice that formal education often plays a minor role in their financial achievements. In fact, nearly a third of billionaires are college dropouts whose ambitions extended beyond earning a degree. This doesn't imply that formal education isn't valuable, but it's essential to recognize its limitations. Colleges typically prepare students for academic success, rewarding good grades and commendable performances, which often lead to traditional employment rather than financial independence. Once in the real world, many realize that an expensive degree doesn't guarantee financial success. Instead of relying on their formal education, many wealthy individuals focus on developing practical investment skills and pursuing entrepreneurial ventures, areas that traditional schooling often overlooks. Additionally, for their children's education, wealthy individuals frequently avoid investing in costly private schools or extensive tutoring services. They prefer exposing their children to valuable skills, experiences, and opportunities that foster overall personal development, thereby avoiding the burden of student loans and the limitations of average-paying jobs.
3. Designer brands.
The third expense that most wealthy people avoid is spending excessively on designer brands. While everyone needs clothes and appreciates nice ones, consistently spending a significant portion of your earnings on expensive designer apparel is unnecessary. Rich people understand this better than anyone. Take Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, as an example. He was known for his simple dress code, basic jeans, a black sweater, and the same sneakers for years. Despite his simple attire, he ran one of the most successful tech companies in history. This practical approach to spending is common among the wealthy. Billionaire Bill Gates often wears a $10 Casio watch to public events, and Michael Bloomberg wore the same pair of loafers for a decade. They know that material possessions can't compare to the deeper, life-changing experiences that money can buy. Why spend money on new shoes every month when one good pair can last a whole year? Additionally, if you've worked hard to earn your money, why waste more effort trying to show it off? 4. Expensive real estate. Another surprising expense that wealthy individuals generally avoid is owning multiple expensive and luxurious homes. Although celebrities often flaunt lavish homes on social media, self-made millionaires are very cautious about home ownership. While they may live in luxurious mansions, these houses are often bought at lower prices or represent a small fraction of their net worth. Buying an expensive house in an exclusive neighborhood can actually hinder wealth accumulation. Interestingly, more millionaires live in homes valued around $300,000 than in million-dollar homes. This is because living in a high-priced house or neighborhood often leads to an expensive lifestyle, which can reduce savings and slow down wealth growth. Wealthy individuals aim to get the most value from their investments, including real estate. They buy homes at low prices in profitable neighborhoods, allowing their value to increase over time. eventually selling for a substantial profit. Unlike average income earners who often take big loans to buy fashionable houses, wealthy individuals know that purchasing an overpriced home is a poor investment. They prioritize financial prudence and long-term gains over flashy, high-cost real estate. 5. TV entertainment and video games. Rich people also avoid excessive spending on TV entertainment and video games. Experts note that millionaires typically don't spend more than 60 minutes a day watching television, whereas the average person spends about 5 to 7 hours a day in front of the screen. Expensive TV packages are uncommon in wealthy households because these individuals prefer engaging in more meaningful activities such as reading impactful books or working on their businesses. Studies have shown a strong correlation between a household's total income and its TV consumption rate. Households with a net worth of less than $25,000 tend to watch much more TV, while wealthier households with a net worth above $75,000 watch significantly less TV and report higher levels of life fulfillment. Excessive consumption of TV and video games drains your time, energy, and money. Rich people understand that lounging on the couch watching TV or playing video games won't help them achieve financial success. Instead, they focus on activities that contribute to their personal growth and financial goals. By avoiding unnecessary expenses on entertainment and video games, they invest their time and money in more productive pursuits. 6. Flashy cars and expensive flights. You might think that all rich people drive luxurious cars and always fly business class, but that's not the case. Many wealthy individuals drive basic, affordable cars and often choose to fly economy instead of business class. For instance, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, drives a basic Acura TSX priced around $30,000. When asked why, he said it's because it's safe, comfortable, and not flashy. This reasoning is practical and makes sense when it comes to car ownership. Owning a flashy car not only has high maintenance costs, but also increases stress and societal pressure to keep up with expensive accessories. Wealthy people understand that spending a large portion of their income on a car that will depreciate quickly is not wise. Unlike many individuals who feel pressured to buy expensive cars, wealthy people often drive simple or older vehicles. In fact, a study by Experian Automotive found that 60% of billionaires drive Fords, Toyotas, and Hondas. Similarly, when it comes to flying, many wealthy individuals choose economy class over business class. This decision reflects their focus on value and practicality rather than showing off their wealth. 7. Fast food. Another common expense that rich people avoid is frequently indulging in fast food. While the average person might eat out almost every night, wealthy individuals often choose more frugal and healthier dining options. You might expect a millionaire to walk into a restaurant chain and order lunch for everyone, or even rent out the whole restaurant for themselves. However, many rich people use discount coupons to save money and will even complain if a restaurant overcharges them. Despite their wealth, for many wealthy individuals, purchasing groceries and cooking at home is a more viable and economical option compared to eating processed foods in restaurants. Additionally, rich people tend to prioritize healthier lifestyles, making it financially and physically unwise to consume junk food regularly. Thank you for watching till the end. I sincerely hope you learned something new from today's video. If you're looking to improve your financial situation and achieve the life you deserve, consider subscribing for more valuable content. Your likes and comments are deeply appreciated. Have a beautiful day and take care.